Saturday today. It's been a long day, not a particularly productive one, but I was just working on making the first functional little version of a kind of task manager that I can chat to. Main objective being here just project management, like sorting out tasks on Linear or some kind of to-do list. It always breaks apart at some point, like somebody forgets to update it and all hell breaks loose. And keeping that up to date would be great. I think actually usually you don't need it all the time, but when you do need it, like let's say you have a new developer on board or I want to go and ship something because I feel like we're working on a Sunday. I don't know what to do sometimes, to be honest, because I'm not directly involved in this particular project. That's kind of the objective here. I want to speed up how fast we can ship for this client. And it's going to start with making sure that we have all the tasks in order. I think that's going to be a big advantage because if we have that, it becomes much easier for us to move through them because we don't need to sync up on what needs doing next, basically, which sometimes does slow us down, right? The time where it's not 100% clear what's next and we have to go back and forth on it to ask somebody else, ask the client, double check some document. That's just wasted time. For the most part, this doesn't slow us down, but like in those small moments, it does. And so starting there, because I don't think there's good solutions around that. I'm trying out Coda Merge, which is like a code review tool. So far, pretty good. One thing I'm noticing is I think most dev tools are going to be really hard to get people to pay for because developers are scrappy, developers build stuff. And so I really want to make some product that eventually gets to an end user that is non-technical because I think that's where the money is. It's not in the development side. It is in an experience which is really, really good all the way through. Yeah. So far, Coda has been pretty good. I'm like exploring more options. I'm integrating as many of these tools as we can. And I hope to have one more client that we help to ship over the next week. I think this week I want to focus on building something that is usable and like valuable for us, shipping for this current client. Next week after is hopefully building for somebody else. That's it. So yeah, we'll see. We'll see how it goes. In any case, I think it's quite ambitious to build something that really, really helps. And my search for a co-founder continues today. I didn't do any reach outs, but I need to speak to more people. But yeah, I'm going to continue to do that. And we'll see how it goes tomorrow. Yeah, pretty good day. Played some tennis. Didn't go gym. Yeah, that's it. Also, I finally hit 12,700 subscribers. For some reason, I was having loads of difficulty getting there. I had like 12,695, 12,697, 12,696. It kept going up and down. I had a couple of people unsubscribe. I used to be bothered by that, not so much anymore. But yeah, finally hit 12,700, which is, I don't know, like I just noticed the past few days I didn't really push through that barrier, so it was cool to see that today. That's my day done. And I'm gonna go back now and chill out for a bit.